Good morning, team. Today's video is about the top three exercises to prevent and manage osteoarthritis. So, if this is something that's close to your heart, buckle in for the next couple of minutes. I'm going to give you a very big overview of what we're going to do, and hopefully you learn something. So, a bit about me is that I'm Gavin. I'm the co-owner of Growing Younger. We are the only fitness studio in New Zealand that helps people over the age of 40. Everything we do is exercise, nutrition based, accountability. We have physios on board as well. So a lot of our members are over the age of 40, and a lot of our members do have osteoarthritis. And I've yet to meet a client yet that hasn't improved their osteoarthritis through exercise, losing a bit of weight, having better nutrition. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to look at what is osteoarthritis. Well, osteoarthritis literally is a degenerative joint disease, and it's characterized by the breakdown of cartilage within and the protective tissue at the ends of the bones. Okay, so you see people with like big fingers and stuff like that. Okay, this causes pain, stiffness, decreased mobility, and it's the most common form of arthritis. It typically affects the hands, the knees, the hips, and the spine. So all the things that are critical to us doing day-to-day activities, right? So osteoarthritis stats are starting to climb. In New Zealand, 620,000 people live with osteoarthritis or arthritis, and this is an osteoarthritis. Sorry, is the most common condition, and it affects nearly 1 in 10 adults. So it's a significant health issue. Okay. And on that as well, a lot of the people that are struggling with this don't actually exercise. They don't look after their health enough, okay? And they rely on supplements and massages and things to help when actually there's a lot better way to do it. So, what should we do now? So, you've been diagnosed with osteoarthritis. What do you do next? Well, the first thing really is get exercising, okay? There's a lot of reasons why you should exercise. In fact, exercise is probably the number one best thing you can be doing with osteoarthritis. Okay, so you can start with walking simply. So if you're not walking now, you need to start doing it. It's a low impact exercise. It's a low barrier to entry. You can incorporate it every single day. It helps maintain joint flexibility, strengthens the muscles around the joints, and promotes cardiovascular health as well. Okay, and how do you do it? Well, basically, you start off short. You start doing 5 to 10 to 15-minute walks regularly. You increase that to 30 minutes, maybe 5 times a week. And the optimum amount of cardio that you need to be doing is about 150 minutes of cardio per week to support your heart health, your lungs, give you general health and fitness as well. Also going to help burn some calories off so you can lose a little bit of weight as well, because that's going to help. The next thing you do is swimming. So if you're particularly sore, then swimming is brilliant. It's like it's an excellent non-weight bearing exercise. And even if you can't swim, you can get into the pool and walk laps of that pool, and you're still going to get a good workout as well. I think it burns off about like 60 calories every 10 minutes. So it's a great way to get moving. Okay. And the muscles and the water will support the joints, keep you buoyant. So if you are a little bit overweight, a little bit heavy, it's going to greatly reduce the joint pain and loading on that as well. So again, where do you start? So you want to be doing 15 to 20 minutes, work up to 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Again, 150 minutes a week is what we're looking for. The next thing that we've got is strength training. And this is one of the biggest things completely overlooked by anybody that has osteoarthritis. And exercising with resistance bands, light weights, you doing the exercise properly, contracting the muscle, is going to strengthen the muscles that support and protect the joints. Again, start with 2 to 3 sessions per week. Really, really straightforward. And also as well, when you're working out the muscles as well, you're getting synovial fluid into the joints to help lubricate them to make them feel better. Okay, so even if you're a bit stiff at the start, you're going to loosen up by the end of it, and this cannot be missed. This is so important for you to manage it. So nutrition goes a long way. So what I want to say is that if you're a little bit overweight, start to try and lose a couple of kilos. That's going to limit the amount of force and pressure going through your joints. Really important. But you can look for things like antioxidant rich foods, berries, strawberries, leafy greens, spinach. The benefits of these, they help combat the oxidative stress and inflammation, which can alleviate arthritic symptoms. Again, recommended intake, include a variety of colorful fruit and veggies into your meals every single day. So if you eat no veggies now, Pick one meal, add veggies to it. If you eat veggies twice a day, add a third, okay? Gently build up the tolerance to that. The next thing you got is fatty acids. Really interesting. Our Western diet is very, very out of whack in terms of omega 6s and omega 3s. So, omega 6 fatty acids are inflammatory, omega 3 fatty acids are anti inflammatory. And we've got our other moment in the Western diet, one omega 3 to 26 omega 6s. So, we need to increase your omega 3 so you can bring that ratio back to sort of like at least even Stevens, all right? The benefits are they got the anti-inflammatory, reduced joint pain. Things like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flaxseed, chia seeds, walnuts, all those things are going to help a lot to help minimize your osteoarthritis. And then we've got, well, if you found this useful, please let us know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, ask a question, obviously share this with somebody that you may find that's going to benefit. And if you need help, okay, because the resistance training thing is going to be the hardest thing for all sorts of reasons. You're not sure what to do. What is the best exercise? Well, come and see us, and we'll design the program for you. Okay. And the other thing as well, a lot of the times you may have the program, you're just not accountable to anybody. So the big thing, what we do at Growing Younger is number one, we talk about personalized fitness programs. Number two, we give you a nutrition solution, and number three, we hold you accountable to the plan. So if you've got any questions or need some help or really struggling, send us a message or an email, and we will be in touch. We'll invite you in for a chat, explain to you what we do, how we do it, and if you feel it's a good fit for you at the time, then obviously we'd love to have you on board. But that is the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one.